Well, hey everyone. If you've been following the channel for a while, you know I shoot a lot of my videos in my garage. My garage is really nothing special. It's pretty pedestrian, just standard 2.5 car garage. And I have a lot of stuff and a lot of cars. I wanted to feature some videos of somebody who can take your garage from just your average garage and really do what you can to get the best storage and space, especially for people like us who have a lot of stuff, you're a car collector, you're a collector of junk or whatever. And really, I wanted to do a review of some cost-effective items for your garage because I know shelving and toolboxes and such can really be expensive. I picked up on Prime Day this REIBII heavy metal shelving unit. It's 70 inches tall by 40 inches long. I think it's something like 2 feet deep. And I think it was like $130 that I was able to get it for shipped. I mean, honestly, this is an average garage. If you look, you know, it's like everything just tends to build up in this area because, you know, it's like I have spots for 2 cars and, you know, like there just really isn't anywhere to go with any of the stuff. So and this is a shelving unit that was in the garage when I came here, and it's pretty chintzy and it's collapsing on the bottom, so I need more storage space. So it's a perfect opportunity to put this up, see what we're gonna get out of this, and do a review on the actual unit, as there's a lot of positive reviews on this and it seems very cost effective for what you're getting for your money. Well, I just kind of got scared. It was unexpected, but got a little woodchuck here in the garage just hanging out for some reason.
Look at him.
No, come on, buddy.
He's so cute. Oh.
A little progress update. You can see I'm a little under halfway done with this. You know, here are all your pieces. Essentially, they give you everything. You just hammer it together. You can see it's just got these little slats that you have your connectors, you push them down into, and then there's your shelves. And what I would say so far is, I guess for the price, I'm really not satisfied. I mean, you can see it's kind of pretty chintzy, and, you know, looking online, they claim that it's like a 2,000 pound, what I assumed was per shelf, but it might be 2,000 pounds for the entire unit itself. But, you know, I would say that, yeah, this is certainly not what I would think is the quality of something that costs $130. Assembling the second part of this, and you can see, you know, like, look how wobbly this is. And I understand once you add these bars, you know, it brings rigidity, but I still can't get past, okay, you know, all of this will be rigid and that's fine. But, you know, if you put any sort of weight on this, you know, and it wants to shift, there is only, if you look right in here, this little plastic piece that sits here and this slides into. So that is the only thing that is actually like keeping this top half connected to this bottom half, and that is really chintzy. Here is the final product. I mean, in pictures it looks way sturdier than it is, but honestly, once it's assembled, it's not terrible. You know, like where I showed before where it connects, definitely seems to be sturdy once fully assembled, but, you know, still for what I paid, I'm not entirely sure that I got what I feel I should have for, you know, the 130, and, you know, I believe there was tax and shipping and everything, so I think maybe it was more like 140, 150. Here is the finished product, you know, just sitting in the garage now. I've managed just to toss some stuff on here, obviously. I was just getting stuff off the ground. Definitely much improved, you know, I gotta move some of that stuff, but at least it got stuff off the ground. It did exactly what I wanted to do in that way. You know, once it's fully assembled, and, you know, if I were to anchor it against the wall, I'd feel pretty good about, you know, putting really heavy stuff on it. But without anchoring it, you know, I really don't know how I feel. As I said previously, for the cost, you know, once again, really not sure. I don't think it's quite worth what I spent. I was able to buy a plastic 5-tier, a little bit smaller, but almost the same size. And, you know, that was $50 from Walmart. And obviously I would trust this a lot more to hold heavy items than the plastic one, but, you know, I'll let you be the judge whether you think this is worth 3 of those plastic shelving units. So there you go. Just a little bit of a review on this REIBII shelving unit. And as I stated previously, I've been doing a lot of videos in my garage, and I really want to get it clean and to a point that it becomes my space where I actually make a lot of videos, and that the space really does suit that need. And I mean, I'm gonna be honest here, there certainly are a lot of YouTubers out there kind of doing what I do, and their garages are absolutely meticulous. You know, these guys have spent $40,000, $50,000 on a absolutely insane garage space. And that's not me at all. You know, I'm just your average day guy. I'm not some guy that's really making $200K a year off YouTube. You know, I have my 9 to 5, and I really just do this for fun on the weekends and whenever time allows. So I think it would be nice going forward if I could emulate something that anybody really could do for, you know, a low to medium cost. You know, something like maybe $1,000 total spent on this garage, really to turn around and turn it into a comfortable, nice space. And not for me just to make videos, but really for anybody to work on cars or kind of just hang out. So as always, thank you for watching my video. And if you liked what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.